Here with a look at Kaspa. First things first, all right. Bitcoin obviously breaking out. It's on a 12-hour chart. I put in Discord yesterday. If we took out this high over here, right over here, let me get this out of the way. Let's just delete that. Right here at what 96.2, that this thing was gonna take off. All right, that was the previous high here. If you come over here and take a look, right here. All right, normally if you look to the left and you take that high out, normally that's means a breakout, especially like on a 4-hour chart. Yeah, that means you're going higher. This thing could run for a while, guys. All right, if we come out on a 12-hour and look at this, all right, it broke resistance, this big overhead resistance right here. Not much for trend lines like this, but the trend, definitely has changed. We were in a downtrend, got the higher high, took out this high over here, which is a change of trend. All right, but don't just depend on that for placing a trade. Look to your left and see if you took out the prior high, to verify things here. All right, now obviously, probably looking, up towards at least a retracement level area, up into here. 102, 103. All right, now if we come out and look at the 12-hour RSI heading to the upside, looks good. Your daily just turning up. All right, maybe we're heading higher. If it breaks through there, 119, it would be the next target. The weekly, excuse me there, didn't burp. It was kind of a half a yawn. And look at this. We do got, out on a weekly, look at this bearish. Look at this high, lower high. You can count you can see a wave count on the RSI here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like a possible fifth wave coming here on the weekly RSI. Maybe we are heading up towards that 120. The monthly, still bullish, heading to the upside. Let's see what this looks like down here. The same story, really. And look, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Working on a fifth wave up here. I talked about this the other day when I put that video out that had no audio. I apologize about that. Ended up, you can see over here too, right? Let's pull this down. This is the monthly chart on Bitcoin. If we pull this up, all right, right over here, 2017, you can see 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. This is the 2021. This was kind of a messed up. The technicals said the high was here in this run, all right, in March of 2021. But the all-time the high actually came in October. But all your technicals say the high should have been here, right? So that one was kind of messed up. I mean, if you even look in here on wave count, you don't got a solid 5 waves. 2017, you got 5 waves right there. This one here, and this doesn't even mean, all right, it might mean Bitcoin's getting close to, I think it's going to come up to this trend line up here, honestly, and hit. This doesn't mean anything. The altcoins are going to run for months, okay? If Bitcoin comes up, who knows what it's going to, right? You take the Fibonacci, just for instance, off of 2017 and put it on there. All right, pull it over. Gave a target of like 73. All right, came up to what, 69 or something? Yeah, 69. So you came right between the 3618 and 4.236 there for a full extension. I don't think we're gonna. I don't know. If you put a fib on this time, and I think these targets are just too high for right now. 4.236 is up at almost 250,000. I think maybe around the 150 area sounds more realistic. We'll see. Who knows? Nobody knows for sure, but we'll see. Who knows? Maybe it will head up there. What we care about is Bitcoin dominance, number one. All right, that's the monthly. Let's get on that lower time frame here. See how this if this is working out at all. I haven't looked at it. Oof. Kind of falling apart, huh? Take this off here a second and see. Yeah, it violated anything like that. Maybe it's breaking down now. You know, on a 4-hour chart, looks like the any type of 5-wave structure has fell apart. It violated. You know, it came down and took this out. Looks like it's trying to make a run back up here, but it might be falling apart now. What I like about this Bitcoin dominance is this monthly chart, right? This is the one, the RSI. Look at that. I mean, it's just collapsing. Coming down pretty fast, though, really. I mean, geez. But look, I mean, we're still up here, guys. We got a long ways to go. A lot of money to make. Put some good trades over in Discord today. Goat. Oh man, missed that thing by, I don't know, it was like a half a cent or something. Really good trade on there. Had some really good ones. Guys over there doing fantastic. I just popped in there today to post a couple that haven't ran yet. You know, that's what you want to find, the stuff that has not ran yet, to get them big blasts, you know, the big money. But them guys are killing it over there on Kaspa and a few other ones. Let me see. Let's pull Discord up. Let's take a look here. Got some really good traders over there, guys. If you're interested in joining, sign up for level 3 membership. It's 15 bucks. I mean, if you can't make 15 bucks over here with these, you know, with all these great traders in here, we got almost 200 people in here. These guys are killing it, man. Terra Luna. Yeah, I put it. Yeah, look at that. Luna Classic. 12-hour. You know, that thing's just breaking. Put some pretty good trades in here. Ape, that's another one that hasn't taken off yet. Litecoin. You know, but look at these guys. Diamond Hands. 147% on Kaspa. There's another one. Goat. Yeah, it hit my 3-wave target. Or look at, yeah. Anyway, we were looking for some good, look at these charts these guys put in here, man. Look at top recruits, 225% on a XRP short. You know, I could go up through here. They're these guys, unbelievable. Yeah, but man, it's only 15 bucks. You know, really it helps the channel a ton, because I'll be 100% honest with you guys. For me to do videos, I mean, I don't get many views. You know, I get like 25 or 30,000 views a month. You know, that pays me like I don't know, 150 bucks or something. That's not, you know, I can make that, you know, in one trade or whatever, you know what I mean? But I enjoy going over in Discord. That's what I like. It's not doing these videos. I like going over there with them guys. Got some really good guys over there. And I can't remember who was asking me about MEXC over in Discord. You had quite a substantial amount of money in there. I had, my account was frozen. I sent them a message and they unfroze my account for 5 days so I could go in and take what I had in there out. And after 5 days, my account's frozen forever. So if you live in the USA and your account's frozen, send them a message, man. They were right on it. I'll give them that, man. And I used MEXC for a while. I really their customer service really I was impressed, top notch. All right, so if you want to get your stuff off there and your account's frozen, send customer service a message and they'll get it unlocked for you. But we're looking for this dominance to plummet here pretty soon. Let's take a look at Kaspa, because Kaspa has broken out of this wedge. You know, quite honestly, I thought it was going to break down. You know, I'm just being 100% honest with you. I thought it was coming down here for sure, and it still could. I mean, I thought for sure it was doing 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it reached the target for this this formation up here, and but things are turning out good for it down here. That's what we want to see. You know, obviously price going up. I mean, everybody wants, you know, if you put on the smart money concepts, look where all the big money's at. Down here. You know, blue. These are your big buyers down here. Every time it got down here, look when it got down here before. Whew, look at them big candles. That, you know, that's not you and me buying. That's big money, huge money right there buying, right? Turn the volume on. Look at that. That one candle was 897 million Kaspa. Okay, and you come over here, we got 185. You know, that's big money down here, right? Came down here again. Look at these big green candles. 389 million. There's another one, 376 million. That's where the big money's at. And then here we go again. You know, we stayed right down here in this range, and there you go. The big money buying it up, shooting the price up, right? Come in on a 4 hour. Let's get this off here. There we go. Close that up. You know, we gave a target yesterday for this out of Discord, at least back to the 618702. And if you're usually targeting, you know, usually go with the prior high at least, but you're pretty safe with these Fibonacci levels. You know, if you start a breakout like this, we went to that 12.4, 12.5. If we come in on a 1 hour, yeah, you can see a wave 1, 2, 3. Yeah, might be doing a fourth wave pullback here now, but this thing, you know, pretty positive it's going to be heading higher here. You know, especially, you know, unless 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could add a 5 waves. This could all be a wave 1 right here. We'll just have to wait to see how this plays out, right? But I think it's at least heading back up over here towards that 13 level. You can see it took out this high over here at what, 12 and a half, and this is on MEXC. All right, so if you're listening to that, I can show you here. There's a price difference. 12.2 over here on KuCoin, right? And 12.2, I think this is Binance. Next one. Or Gate. Okay, Gate. All right, so obviously there's going to be a price difference here. You know, if we take a look at this one, let's get this off here. Open this up a little bit because you know, a lot of people use that MEXC chart, but then there's other people, you know, they're using this one here, right? And there you can see we've gotten up towards that 12.6, 12.7 here. You know, I'd probably be targeting 13 up here. More likely a fourth wave here. You know, you don't see no complex second wave down here, so it's more likely a fourth wave pullback. You know, you take a fib and put on that thing, and there you go, 13, you know, for a possible 5. And maybe this is all wave 1, 2, and we're ripping out of here. Let's see what the RSIs are like on this. They got to be pretty oversold, right? Let's take a look here. You know, see, once we took out, you know, these highs on the 4 hour, you had, as soon as you took out that high there, you had a higher high, right? You had this high, this low, and you got a higher high out of there. You're going to have a higher low come in here. 4 hour, up at the top, oversold right now. The 8, still bullish. The 12, yeah, 12 looks good. Look down here at the bottom. Yeah, it's only about halfway up down here. I mean, this thing could have ways to go. You got your daily. Once again, look at that daily down here instead of 44 down here on the bottom RSI. Stochastic, it's about 3/4 of the way up. Your weekly probably looks great. Yeah, starting to turn back up here. You know, and if we look at this chart on a weekly, let's get that off there. You know, just to get back up to retracement areas. I mean, look at this, 2 red, massive red candles. The last 2 weeks have just been brutal. And then you have a indecisive candle here. Them are always good to see for reversals, definitely. Let's put a fib on here. Click that a little late. You know, I would imagine, you know, at least to run back up here, 15.9, 16.6 over the long haul here. I don't know, you know, it's really, it depends. I think Bitcoin's got a lot higher to go. And these, man, these altcoins are going to start ripping, you know. If you go off Kaspa's prior high, and you put this Fibonacci on this thing, you know, take out, and I'm sure we're more than likely going to, you know, 27, and who knows, you know, a full extension on this 55 cents. Will we hit that this bull run? I don't know. We'll have to see, you know, and who knows? Maybe this is all big 1, 2, and we're working on a third wave here on the weekly. You know, that could be starting, absolutely. It's kind of deep though for wave 2. You know, back here, but it is, you know, you do got the higher low coming in here for the weekly. You know, if you look at this, you had this high, this low, you know, you had a lower high, but then you have a higher low coming in here on the weekly. You know, on a daily, definite trend reversal here. You know, at this high and this low, now you got a higher high, trend reversal. You know, and heading up here, but we'll see how this works out here. You know, what I was really thinking was going to happen here was, you know, 4 and the 5th wave down. But if we can take out, let me show you. 382 is probably, yeah, it's amazing how these fibs work, man. That 382 is right on that high. You know, if we can take out this high over here, I would be very confident in saying that any other push to the downside is done. You know, and that's right here, this high. Gonna have to take that 13.5 out. That, you know, that's the one over there, right over here. It's one above the 200 on the daily here. That 13.5. That's a 382 fib retracement. That's typical for a 4th wave pullback on 5 waves down. So we're going to want to see that taken out. All right, guys, please hit that like and subscribe. We'll see how this plays out here. We'll keep an eye on this. Kaspa's looking good right now. We'll see what happens is this 13.5. Keep an eye on that. That's a huge level to take out for sure. I'll talk to you guys soon.